What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pretty cold outside right now. It's about 6:20, not sure why it's so dark, but at Watkins Glen for another track day. And you may have noticed back there that the M3 for the first time is not driven here, it's actually trailered. So Tyler came up with me. You'll remember him from the E36 exhaust install video. We loaded the car up yesterday. He wanted a track day experience.
Going for the wall. We're not going for the wall.
And with all of his help and everything that he does for us in the channel, I figured let's give him a drive. So invited him out. He's out here, he's gonna drive as well. So the car's gonna get double the sessions. We're unloading it now and getting prepped. It's a perfectly serene morning, nice and quiet. All right. The weather doesn't look too great for today, but hopefully we get some dry sessions. We do have 2 sets of tires, so we should be okay either way.
Makes no sense. It's sunny, but it's raining.
So as you guys can tell, the track conditions aren't exactly ideal right now. Tyler's finishing up one of his classroom sessions, but I'm actually going to be instructing him today, which is a bonus that we didn't know was coming. So I'm waiting for him to get out. He'll be able to hop in the car with me, give him an idea of what to look for, where his entry points are, braking points, etc., etc. Hopefully he enjoys it, but I'm sure he will.
Awesome. Just turn in. Just be careful. It's a little slippery. Good. Yeah, maybe avoid the wet patch for now. Let's do that. Nice and wide. Good. Tighter in, wider out. Nice. Very good. Take it wider, don't take his line. Good. Now tuck it in. And watch how much you're closing the gap. You see that? There you go. Brake. There you go. Excellent. Now stay wider out. Don't cut them off yet. So just try to shorten those coasting gaps and try to look past the corner ahead to where you want to go.
So we get the first session wrapped up. This weather is super unpredictable. It's starting to come out a little bit more with the sun again. Anything that you could say is really different from drifting that you've noticed?
Everything's different from drifting. Even just the community itself is different from drifting. I mean, this is very, Porsche GT3 RS type of stuff. Still really supportive community, but it's cool. Driving fast is fun.
Those two cars are a good 25 seconds apart, and I can still hear the Cup car there over the Viper here. Insane. About an 8 out of 10 there?
9.5.
9.5.
Catch me with my Jeep Jack.
Yeah, dude.
So that's gonna just about do it for this event. Really cool group. Haven't run with Mass Tuning yet. Big fan. First time instructing, so that was an awesome experience too. The cars were cool, people were great, everybody was very respectful on track, good flowing traffic. Heading home now in the rain still. We did get one dry lap in, so that was kind of cool. All right, so we're back. We were kind of deteriorated by the weather. It was raining all day. We got, I think, what, 2 dry laps apiece?
Yeah, if that.
If that. But overall, the experience, good time, right?
It was a great time.
We put over 170 track miles on the car today. So it did its job. It really held up. Surprisingly consistent, honestly. There may be a project car, maybe, for the channel that he's not too happy. He doesn't like working on these. I think I'm gonna put in a snippet of what the car sounds like in the video, and then you guys can comment below and see what you think it is. But until then, see you in the next one.
Later.